Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Cupra Formentor V1. This car has the plug-in 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which can return up to a very impressive 235 miles in range. The battery alone can return up to 36 miles on a full charge, and the insurance group is 24. This is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 42,000 miles and comes with full service history from Seat. This colour is called the Desire Red and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. The seats are half leather, and there's a big armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention: the car also has climate control, active cruise control on the left hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card you then have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. As well as being stylish, the Formentor has a good amount of legroom and headroom in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers can also control the temperature from their own air vents there in the centre as well. And it's good to see the car's got the original Cupra floor mats too. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot, and in those 2 bags you've got the all important 2 charging cables. Always make sure on a used electric car or a hybrid car you've got the 2 charging cables, so you can charge from home as well if you wish. You also got the rear seats that can be folded flat, and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front fog lights, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions, or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.